Hi guys! Welcome to our third vlog. So now we're going to do our second survey here at Ikekabog. Let's go! Hi! Quick update, we have already covered 20 households. So in that 20 households, we were able to identify what the problems of the community were, and hopefully in our next visit for our survey, we can cover more houses, and then we can proceed to our community assembly. And that would be all. Stay tuned! Hi! So guys, we're finally done on our second day of surveying. It was a lot, but it was very productive.
Kapoy Pro Sadyaga. We would like to thank GK Kabug for our sponsor sa Tinapay. Thank you!
And that's it for our third vlog. See you on the next vlog!